Welcome to JLab Audio. I'm Terra, VP of Marketing.
Hi, I'm Cramer, CEO.
And today we're going to talk about the new JBuds Air True Wireless family.
And we got 3 awesome models to talk about today, and look forward to sharing with you and answering any questions that you leave below in the comments.
So we have the JBuds Air Executive, which is a business travel focused earbud. We've got the JBuds Air Icon, which is an upgraded everyday great option for JBuds Air. And then we've got the Sport model, which is great for working out and fitness.
Yeah, fantastic.
Let's dig into the JBuds Air Executive.
So the JBuds Air Executive is a more professional style earbud meant for commuting and talking and traveling. It's got a svelte, really small case that fits easily into your pocket. It has a built-in USB charger while you're on the go. All of our products now have this. It's got a really cool leather case that's elegant and professional looking. When you open up the case, it reveals both earbuds, the left and the right. They have a 6-hour playtime in the earbuds themselves, another 30+ hours in the case, so you get all day plus playtime with these products. As you take them out, you can see they're a little bit different than what you're used to. Obviously we have our angled tip. We have the JCon logo on each side, which are touch sensors, and you have full control of your device with these touch sensors. So you can track forward, track back, volume up, volume down, access to your digital assistant, cycle through the EQ3 settings, so go from JLab signature to flat to bass boost. Just some really cool features all within the earbuds themselves, and you can do all of this without the use of an app, which we think is really important. These also include our new C3 microphones. So C3 microphones give you the ability to have what we call crystal clear calling. And that is, one microphone is used to capture your voice. The second microphone is used to reverse outside noise. So the person on the other end of the call won't hear what's going on around you. So if it's a windy day or if there's cars driving by, that noise will be canceled out and they'll just be able to hear your voice. So the calling on both of these models is just fantastic.
So along with the JBuds Air Executive, we launched a great option for fitness and working out, the JBuds Air Sport.
Yeah, thank you. The JBuds Air Sport is our take on a really accessible, truly wireless fitness model. So as you can see, we have ear hooks on both of these models. So the secure fit that you will get while working out is just fantastic. And they're flexible ear hooks, so they're not hard plastic. They fit anybody's ears. Similar to the JBuds Air Exec, these have the 6+ hour battery life in the product themselves. These actually have 40 hours in the case, so a long time in the case. We have the touch sensors on each side, and then your EQ3 settings as well, along with Be Aware audio. And Be Aware audio is so important, especially with the fitness piece, where you can activate it and then really hear ambient noise that's going on around you. So if you're running and you want to be able to hear traffic going by, you'll be able to hear that. If you're in an airport and want to hear what the ticket attendant is saying, you can hear that. So very cool features built into both the Sport and the Exec model that makes them super easy to use and super technical, all at a price point that is very, very affordable.
And then we also have the JBuds Air Icon model, which is an upgraded option from our JBuds Air.
Yeah, we found a lot of opportunity to, even though our JBuds Air is the best-selling earbud under $100, we listened to what consumers are saying and what they're asking for. We took it to heart, so we decided to develop a model with some opportunity to improve. So we included touch sensors in both of these models instead of push buttons, and we increased the battery life from really 3 to 4 hours in the JBuds Air to 6 hours plus in the JBuds Air Icon. And we added some cool branding to it too, with a gold inlay or a platinum inlay depending on the model that you purchase. Same great case as the JBuds Air with the built-in USB cable and also microphone performance on this as well. But really just the battery life improvement and the touch sensor add takes this a step above the JBuds Air.
Thanks for tuning in today to preview the JBuds Air family. And feel free to leave some comments below. Otherwise, tune in. We're going to do a deeper dive into each individual one coming soon.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.